Have you ever wondered why the Middle East is called the Middle East? If you stop to think about it, it's kind of a weird term that doesn't always make sense. In fact, it only makes sense from one spot on the globe, here in Western Europe. It was Western Europeans that came up with the concept, and they referred to this area as the Far East, and this area over here is the Near East. But if you're standing in China, what would you call this region? It would be the Middle West. So it's a relationally geographic term that only makes sense in relation to someplace else. And we see that elsewhere. Right? In the United States, we've got the Midwest region. Well, from where I sit here in Denver, I should probably refer to my students coming from that region as Middle Easterners, right? The point is, even though history is written by the winners, good history seeks to understand the past from as many perspectives as possible, to understand the contexts that shape how ideas are produced. Here at Regis, we think carefully about the power of words and how specific language shapes our perceptions of others. So, if empathetic historical inquiry intrigues you, I would encourage you to come explore new ways to think about our world and understand it.